time for a bath. Come on. Come on. Let's see if you still what you used to do. Oh my goodness. It's okay. See? Now that was new. Let's not do that. My goodness. See? See? Get a little bit of soap. We don't even need much. We can get a towel. Here, baby. Let me clean you up. Come on. Get down here. I know. It's so terrible. Okay. My goodness. This is the part that's hard, I know. There you go. It's not that bad, see? See, you're all done. You're all done. Goodness. I know. Goodness. It's not that bad, I promise. I know, and we have a pretty white towel for you. Yes. Oh my goodness. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, we escaped. Holy shit, this floor is wet. That's a fire hazard. Alright, come on. I know you want out. Come here. Come here, baby. I love you. You were a good girl in the bath. Yes, you were. Even though you jumped out and got water everywhere, you're still a good girl. You're still wet. Goodness. I wish you wouldn't have jumped out like that. Oh my. You got water everywhere. We'll try this. I know, baby. Let me look at your bellies. Are you all wet? I know. Goodness. I know. My goodness. At least you're clean. You don't stink no more. Yeah, at least you don't stink no more. Goodness. Well. So much for having a dry bathroom for you. Hold still. Goodness. How you gonna get dry if I don't dry you off? My goodness. You're okay? Oh my. You gonna throw a hissy fit? Come here, big hisser. Come on, get over this way. Let me get that belly. I know. You're okay. See? It's just really wet. Why do you have so much fur? I know, you just stay wet. I love you. You're a good girl. Yeah. Here, you can draw off the rest of the way in there. Go. Yeah. I know, I tried to dry you off. You were being hateful. It's a fluffy biscuit.